The past perfect subjunctive, or another name that we could call that, is the pluscumperfect del subjuntivo. I don't know, that's a mouthful. I think I'd just call it the past perfect subjunctive, is one of our verb tenses. But more specifically, when we see the word perfect, we know that what that means is that we have a form of HABER, and then we have a past participle. And if this is the past perfect subjunctive, well, what tense are we going to put HABER into? Well, we are going to put that into the past subjunctive, or the imperfect subjunctive. So we have HABER in the imperfect subjunctive, and note that there is one accent, written accent, right about there on the we form. And then we're going to take some past participles. Now there is another video on the past participles if you need a refresher, but we have past participles. If we had an AR verb like hablar, take off the AR and add ado. Or comer, take off the ER and we would add ido. Or a lot of irregular ones that we have, roto, abierto, muerto. So all we're going to do is we're going to take one component from over here and we're going to take one component from over there. We're going to put them together and then we get the past perfect subjunctive. So, you know, when do I use it? Whoo! That is a big question. Why is that a big question? Because the real question is, when do I use subjunctive? Alright, and there are so many ways to use the subjunctive, but I'm just going to give you a situation with the subjunctive, and so I could say, I hoped that they, and then I want to say, had arrived. So we know that this is a perfect tense because we have the auxiliary verb haber plus a participle. And we know that we need the past subjunctive because we have a trigger word, we have a K, and we have a change of person. We have one, we have two, we have three. What do we get? Subjunctive. But more specifically, we're going to get past subjunctive because we have a past trigger word. Is your head just hurting right now? Probably. Because all that was subjunctive talk. What would this have been? Hubiera llegado. Now, what I'm saying to you, that all you need to know today is, how do I form the past perfect subjunctive? Boom. 1, 2. When do I use it? Well, that takes a lifetime. So, for today, just know how to form it. And go out. Spend your life speaking some Spanish. Learn how to use it. Have some fun. Suerte.